all molecules have little bit space between them, that is known as intermolecular space, or simply you can call it gap, and they are held together with the force. This force is known as intermolecular force, or simply cohesion. Let's talk about first form of matter, that is solid. In solids, the molecules are very closely packed. The space between these molecules, that is very less. They are quite close to each other. That's why solids have fixed shape. Their intermolecular force is very strong. Which provides shape to the solids, and solids have a volume. While in liquids, molecules are far away from each other. They have large spaces between their molecules. That's why they have weak intermolecular forces. And liquids do not have any particular shape. But they have volume. If we talk about gases, their molecules are very far away from each other. These spaces are very large. They will have very weak intermolecular forces. So gases has no fixed volume, no fixed shape. Liquids take the shape of the container in which they are contained. If container is of round size, its shape will be also oval or round. But if you try to keep the gases in a container, the lid should be closed. If you will try to open this lid, whole gas will escape out from the container, because their molecular forces are very weak. They cannot hold each other in the container. That's why whole gas will come out. If vessel of liquids that is open mouth, they will not come out. So liquids have volume, gases has no volume. Molecular force between the molecules of solid, that is very strong. So in solids, molecules do not go away from each other at particular temperature. They will move away if we will increase the temperature of the solid. But in liquids, molecules are move away from each other, and they have weak intermolecular forces. So they only take the shape of the container. They do not have their own shape, while solids have their volume as well as shape. If we talk about the gases, their molecules are quite far away from each other. Intermolecular forces are very weak. So easily these molecules, they have random motion. Suppose they are in this vessel, they will strike with each other, then rapidly they will change their directions in the vessel. As soon as this lid will be opened, gas molecules will come out. Now see this figure. All states of matter can be converted. Suppose this ice is here, it is in the solid form. If you will try to heat this ice, solid form will change into liquid form. When you will try to heat this liquid form, then liquid form will change into steam. And if you will again try to cool this steam, due to condensation, steam will change into water. And if you will try to cool this water, again water will change into solid form. Now see here, solid, all molecules are very tightly held. That's why solids have a particular shape. But liquids, molecules are far away from each other. They are loosely held. That's why liquids take the shape of the container. And gases, they are very most loosely held together. That's why molecules of gases will escape from the container if its mouth is opened.